Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how we make Senegalese donuts. They're also called pain de nun, which translates nun farts. I know. Oops. So over here I just have my sugar in the bowl and I'm going to go ahead and add my water, and now I'm going to add some salt, just a pinch, and my butter, and we're going to just stir this in just to make sure it's nicely melted in there. And once it looks like this, you can go ahead and add your orange blossom water. I will leave all the measurements in the description box so you can check those out. And now I'm adding some nutmeg. And now I'm just adding my flour. You should probably do this slowly, like step by step, but I am just like gung-ho on this, so I'm putting all of it in there. And you're gonna start whisking vigorously because you want to make sure you incorporate this nicely. And at this point your heat should be on medium, and just keep on whisking. You don't want to burn the flour, but you want to make sure it cooks and to the point that it's going to be almost like not sticking to the pan anymore. That's how you really know that your dough is ready. Okay, and so now we are pretty much ready. I'm just playing with it here, and I'm going to transfer it over actually to a bowl, but your heat should be off at this point. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and add my eggs. I am adding my 3 eggs in there. You should do 1 egg at a time until you get the gist of it, but I just did all 3 eggs because I've been sort of doing this for a while now. So you're just gonna whisk and just keep turning, keep on folding them in there. It's gonna be messy at first, but it will eventually come together. And as you can see over here, it is starting to come together. So the eggs are incorporating in our dough. And you're just gonna keep going until it becomes nice and smooth, until the eggs are really incorporated in there, until you can't see like from the yellow and the separation of the yellow and the dough. That's when you know you have it perfectly in there. So I'm just sort of turning this away, and it's really coming together. And it is pretty much ready. So I just heated up some oil, and it is on medium-high heat. You want to make sure your oil is nice and hot because you want to be able to drop the batter in there, and it's just gonna sort of plop up in like perfect airy little beignets. So over here I'm just scooping with my small tiny spoon, and I'm just gonna use another spoon to help sort of guide my dough into the oil. And when they're done, they will look like this. If you want to do this correctly, and you want to make sure you wait around for that oil to really go down, because you don't want any of that drenching your paper towel. And so but you want to move sort of fast. And you're pretty much done. If you are anything like me, we like a little bit of powdered sugar in there. Yep, that's me. I love me some powdered sugar and this stuff. It is so doggone good with it. I like a little sweetness in there. And you can also do some chocolate syrup. Like, the possibilities are endless. It's like the perfect marriage between a beignet and a funnel cake. So I came up with a funny name for it, like a cakenet or something. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think it should be called. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.